Okay then. Okay, so here, this is just my little bit towards the open tag of lockbacks. I'll try and make this really quick. I won't be going into any detail about the steels because I don't know much about steels. I'll just get them over the line. But some of them I do know. Anyway, here we go. Start off. Right. First off, of course, there's the 110. But 110. I've only had this a short time. One I bought one of these earlier, but I didn't. I've got other book knives that are folders, normal folders, slip joints. But this is my first book 110, and it's lovely. I understand why everybody loves them so much now. It's a beautiful thing. Right. So next to this is this lovely little Texas tickler from Rough Rider. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful little thing. Can't fault this knife at all in any way, shape or form. It's just a lovely, lovely little thing. There is a story about where the term Texas tickler came from. Anybody wants to look it up? I'm not getting into it now, but it's an interesting little story. I'm not getting into it now because I actually can't 100% remember it. But I remember when I read it, I thought, oh, that's interesting. Anyway, that's a contribution from Rough Rider. I'll move this guns out of the way a little bit. If this had just been purely straightforward lockbacks, there would have been other things down there because I've got a lot of lockbacks. Yeah, I've got a lot of lockbacks. I've got a lot of locking knives, I should say, and an awful lot of more not lockbacks. Yeah. Right. So I'm looking at the camera through the camera lens and all sorts of that. It's really fiddly and difficult to focus on things. Because this Schrade OB8, my favourite of these Schrade knives is the Uncle Henry range, but just generally Schrade lockbacks, I think they're brilliant for the money. And this is my favourite of them. You know, everyone's found everyone's choice, but I do like this. I really do. Feels really, really nice in the hand. They're decent quality. Obviously, they're a bit rough around the edges, but you get what you pay for sometimes. But anyway, as a work knife, this definitely it's up there. Or just as a thing of beauty, it is up there as well. It's very windy today. Do another video earlier to upload with the same as this one, but the sound on it was really, really bad. I hope this one is better. Now my sound quality isn't best on most of my videos, but I'm trying to get that improved. Okay, we're running out. Okay, this brother, wonderful brand. This is the only brother I've got. We'll get more time goes on. But the only place you can get them from over here that I know of is AliExpress, and I've not bought anything from AliExpress for a while now. I'll have a look soon. Anyway, there it is. If you don't already have one, it's well worth having. It's a lovely little knife. Nice. I'm talking to my chief at the moment, and I'm not making the words come out properly. Right, anyway, so there's that one. Right, next to that is this marbled copper lockback, and it is one of my favourites. You'll get sick of hearing that, because they're all my favourites. I do really like this. This is a very handsome knife. Very, very handsome. In every way, shape, or possible. Lovely, lovely, beautiful little knife. Definitely one of my prize knives. Right. Just there. Next, of course, is the QSP worker. Again, I've got quite a few QSPs. This is my favourite of this range, the workers. Look at that, isn't that lovely? It's a wooden handle. And I do like the colour green, that's my favourite colour. I like grey as well, but I really love green. But that is beautiful. Look at that. is surgeon's scalpel. Look at that. Beautiful. You can go over there. Right, EKA, Swedish company. This is wonderful. Very, very good work now. Very good lockback. Pure rubber handle. Very thin liners. Really amazingly good in the hand. Good old blade. Nothing wrong with this at all. Sunvic, Sunvic 12C27. The edge has been gnawed at by me when I've sharpened it. Or actually it's just sharp, but I've not made the best job on it. This was before I actually knew what I was doing. At some point I will tidy this up, get rid of the whole little scratches on it, mainly on that side. But I recommend it. This is lovely, lovely little knife. EKA, a good brand. And finally, but by no means least favourite, is this Cold Seal thin roll. Oh, this one's come back out again. You can see the same thing. This thin roll folder. I've got the thin wolf fixed blade as well. I do use both of these a lot. This and the fixed blade when I'm doing carving. Incredibly good for taking big chunks off. Again, this is like a razor. I've only ever had to scrap it once. This makes a fantastic day carry, to my mind. Obviously, you can't do that in this country, but I can't fault this. This is wonderful. It's strong as an ox. Obviously, it's got the guaranteed lockback, as Gold Steel have. This ain't going to let you down. This is honestly one of the best folding knives, lockback folding knives I own. And for a work knife as well, yeah, you're not going to go far wrong with this. At least have a look at them if you don't already have one. I've got a couple of Cold Steel folders, and to my mind, this is the best one. There we go. There we have them. Yeah. What can I say? Nothing really, other than stay sharp, my friends. I'll see you on down the road. Enjoy the rest of your day. And from the Toad, it's see you next time. Bye bye for now.